In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade in and out in Audacity. By the end, you'll know how to smoothly introduce audio at the beginning of a clip and gently reduce it at the end, so your project sounds polished and professional. First, open your track in the Audacity app. Launch Audacity, then load the audio you want to work on. You can open an existing project or bring in a single audio file. Once it appears as a waveform on the timeline, you're ready to edit. If you're working with multiple clips, make sure the correct track is selected so you're applying the fade exactly where you intend. Next, highlight the part you want to fade. Use the selection tool to click and drag over the portion of the audio that should gradually increase or decrease in volume. For a fade in, this is typically the first few seconds of your clip. For a fade out, it's usually the last few seconds. Think about the feel you want. A short selection creates a quick, noticeable fade, while a longer selection gives you a smoother, more gradual transition. If your selection doesn't look right, simply click elsewhere and try again until the highlighted area matches the length you have in mind. Then go to Effects. At the top of the screen, locate the Effect menu. This is where Audacity stores all of its processing tools, including the ones we need for fading. Make sure your selection is still highlighted. If nothing is selected, many effects will be unavailable. From there, choose Fading. In the Effect menu, look for the Fading option or its related fade entries. This section contains the tools specifically designed to shape how your audio ramps up or down over the selection you made. Finally, select whether you want a fade in or a fade out. Fade in gradually raises the volume from silence to the normal level across your highlighted region, which is perfect at the start of music or voice clips. Fade out does the opposite, lowering the volume smoothly to silence, ideal for endings or transitions. As soon as you choose one, Audacity applies it to your selection. If it feels too abrupt or too subtle, just undo, adjust the length of your selection, and apply the fade again until it sounds right. That's all it takes. Open your track, highlight the section, go to Effect, choose Fading, and pick Fade in or Fade out. With a few careful selections, your audio will sound clean, intentional, and ready to share.